invincible.
Okay. There we go. Good evening and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Monday evening. Hope everyone's had a great day. All right. Market went straight up today, basically. Pulled back some, but then continued up all the way up. Gold pretty much did the same thing. And Bitcoin, well, Bitcoin's not as happy as everything else. So, got your, did your friend fly in, USC? Cool. Market looks kind of choppy now, of course. Although gold's flying. Not much going on tonight, it don't look like. But we'll see. See a little pop there, but nothing much. Wow, burr. It's pretty cold for down there. Yeah, it's supposed to get back up to 70 here too in a few days. Little push up here. Yeah, not a lot of people. Says there's six other. It says there's 4 people. Although we have 5 likes. People are hiding in the shadows. Hey Ron, how you doing? How was your trading today, Ron? Well, for a take profit trader, you with them it's as long as you're over the buffer, you can withdraw daily. And I think that's the same with trade day. So once you get over the buffer, let's say the buffer's I don't know, I don't remember what it is, but say it's $3,000, and you're over that, and you make $500 today, you can withdraw it that day. You can make $500 tomorrow, you can withdraw that, etc. Yeah. Honestly, to me, it's not that big of a deal. I mean, even if I got to the point where I could withdraw daily, I wouldn't. I don't think I would maybe withdraw weekly, you know. But you know, heck, I'm used to basically getting once a month payments, so it's not that big of a deal for me. Yeah, I mean, right. I mean, for me, it'll just all go right to the brokerage account anyway. Buy more income ETFs and live off margin. In case you've all missed it, Fidias doing a 1 day Veterans Day sale of 90% off all their evals. I mean, their static eval, their 25K static, is less than $10. Of course, though, remember there is funded setup fees. I think for the next, 6 months, you're not going to see any more 80 and 90% off sales from anywhere. Or if you do, they're going to be very rare. Because more and more companies are going to the no funded setup fee model, which requires lower discounts on the evals. Topstep's announced that they're going to be eliminating setup fees. Now I don't know if they're going to raise the price of any of their evals, but with no funded setup fees, you need the price of the eval to be, at least something. So, I mean, you're already seeing it now where you barely, Apex used to do 90% every month. Now it's rare. And this time, that right now, they're experimenting with 70% off, but only $40 for the setup fees. So, yeah, I expect that it'll be very rare to start seeing 80 and 90% off uh, very soon. Where's your normal one, Ron? It's being worked on, USC. Me and John Skelton had a long conversation on Sunday. Oh, okay. Hey, JJR, how you doing? How'd you finish up today? Nice, JJR. Excellent. Awesome, Ron. Very nice. I had a bad day today. And once again, I had some sort of issue. I don't know if it's data or if it's an issue with NinjaTrader, but I didn't. Uh, Today I was a stupid. I took a trade. It didn't show up, and without thinking, I hit the button twice. Again, two more times. So by the time it showed up, I was in with three contracts, and again, I took a stop loss with three contracts, and ended up blowing a Tradeify funded account and four my funded futures evals. Hello, Hassan. Market's a little choppy at the moment. Here's a little pop on NQ. 8-point pop. Top of the hour in 10 minutes. Is who sick? Hassan, as your boss, I don't remember giving you permission to be sick. You did not file that paperwork. Apparently Hassan has finger laryngitis because he's communicating alt and emoji. Uh, I think Amanda's moved on to other streams. No, she's still in the Discord. As far as I don't think I saw her leave at all. Hey, John. Things got a little weird a little bit with her. I'm hoping maybe she comes back after a time. Some of the things I was doing, which I've pretty much stopped doing now because of the various complaints, was bothering her, like making breakfast while streaming. Hey, David. Yeah, I actually, I mean, I appreciated that input. My goal is not to be annoying to anybody. Excellent, John. Glad we've definitely missed you in the mornings. Uh, do you mean the things, the indicator that turns my candles purple and blue? That one? Oh yeah, I have that link here somewhere. Give me a second. It's in one of my 402 tabs that I have open. Or actually, I think I can do this. See if this works for you. This link. Yeah. I mean, I one morning I definitely screwed up. I had forgotten to actually scramble my eggs, so I started, whipping them up in the dish with right in front of the mic, and I'm sure that was very annoying, very loud, and I didn't think about it until afterwards. Amanda, and I just want to make it clear in case she happens to be tuning in. I have no problems with her feedback and what she had to say. I appreciate it. I want people to be honest with me if something's annoying or something's wrong, and then I hope she if comes back to the community because she was a valuable member. Yeah, she's from Central. She sent me baseball cards from Costco once. So, I mean, I consider her a friend. Like I said, I hope she returns. Are they still there in the morning? Really? Is it really by invite only? Hold on, let me see what I can do. there you go. It should. I didn't realize that was the only reason I don't have that as a public thing is someone took two indicators for engulfing and mixed them together for me to make this custom. So, and I don't want to I mean, I in the script is it mentions both of the other scripts, but I don't want to upset anybody because I used their code. Wow. That's a lot of money. I'm trying to trade right now, but I didn't really get a signal. You saw something? You saw a signal? When did you enter that NQ, John? I mean, I did kind of get a signal. So if I'm looking at my chart, this little blue candle maybe was a little signal, but I'm not seeing anything in here I really like. Now I'm getting a blue candle that I kind of like. Actually, I don't have data again. What the heck? Still no. Now I have data.
Order filled. Stop filled.
I got stopped out on that. Should have stayed out. Hey, Crypticon. Am I sure about what, Crypt? How much snow did you get today, Crypt? I don't think we got anything, but I saw that areas up near you were getting like 3 inches an hour.
Remember, everyone, if you are enjoying the stream, please gore the like button.
And it bounces off that 100 EMA right back up. Thank you for your goring. Project X keeps crashing. Topstep's about to launch programs without funded setup fees. Lucid launched a 25K account. Tomorrow, My Funded Futures is going to launch an account that has daily payouts. Tradovate, Take Profit Trader, and My Funded Futures. Lucid's my rookie of the year. They might be top 5 at this point. Legends keeps doing more and more good things. There's lots of good props now. Something tells me when you decide to retire again, you're not going to change your mind as quickly. Good job, JJR. I don't like this price action. I don't like it at all. Is Uber in Canada? I'm sure there's lots of volunteer opportunities. Seriously. Little pop there. I'm just not trusting any price action right now. Oh yeah, well yeah. Oh yeah, look at that gold pop right there. Yeah, just gold's been hurting me, but NQ's hurting me the last couple of days too. Ah, crypt. Well, there's 54. Car 54, where are you? If you don't learn patience, crypt, you're gonna keep repeating the same things over again. That was a very nice pop. Not sure if there was something that caused that pop. Congratulations to both of you. Hey, John, you miss seeing people, whereas I rarely ever see people. There's, you know, times I can go 3 weeks without seeing another person. And then that other person's usually the Walmart person that's delivering my groceries. And they're usually not happy with me because they're bringing in 12 dozen eggs and 16 2-liters. Still rising here, thank you. Excellent work, JJR. If Ace was here, he would say green is green. Yeah, and I mean, I'm not used to people anymore, at least face to face. And eventually, I'm going to need to be the face of a corporation, an LLC type corporation. But as Mighty Ox Ventures launches more and more. Hello, Tio. I have lots and lots of plans for Mighty Ox Ventures. Lots and lots of plans. I've always been an extreme introvert, John.
Order submitted.
There was probably a time I was a 9. I don't know if I would still classify myself as that bad now. I mean, obviously I do this and I'm very comfortable doing this. But,
Target filled.
okay, so I just actually hit a target. I realize you guys aren't seeing my trades. I need to fix that for tomorrow morning. I got in at 763 half, out at 757.75, so about 4 points. No, I've never used Tinder or any type of dating app. I haven't done any dating type stuff in over 2 decades. Awesome, John. You mean like people that like to throw pineapples at one another? You just see? See, the whole dating thing, first of all, I mean, I still got a lot of weight to lose before I would even consider something like that. But then the other problem is, and I know this is, weird, but now that I'm no longer poverty and hopefully my income continues to trend up, you gotta worry. Then you start worrying about, is this person, are they looking for someone with money? Are they really looking for somebody, to connect with and things like that? Yes, John. House purchase. We finished shortly after the new year, and then I'll figure out the whole renovations thing. But either later this month or early next month, I'll be going out to get my ID. So at least that'll be taken care of. Nice USC. I had to put that down in there. Yeah, I mean, I don't mind living by myself, at this point. Of course, I'm never really alone because anytime I eat something, the cat's here. But definitely, like I said, I mean, I've always been massive introvert. I also really love the dark. Like right now, I'm sitting in a completely dark house. The only light is the monitors, which with all my monitors is a lot of light, but still. Mm. I would love. I'm the type of person that I could live up in Alaska during the winter months when they get no sun. When I build my custom house, I want the main room that I'm in to face the northeast so there's no direct sunshine. There's one thing I won't die from, and that's skin cancer. Back to choppy again after that move down. Yeah, if you hear that I died and the diagnosis was skin cancer, get someone to investigate because it means I was murdered somehow. And they covered it up somehow. Oh, get gold going. Gold's back up to 41.46. Yeah. You almost say that there's some other environmental reason for that though, you know. Like if I ever get lung cancer, it's either A because my mom smoked and all that secondhand smoke, or B because for a while we lived with my aunt and she had a wood burning stove to keep things warm, and she would throw like anything in there, old railroad ties and other crap that could very well have been all contaminated with stuff. Congrats on that, Crypticon. Crypticon, have you seen my Discord engagement program? Good. Everybody should try it. Actually letting everybody, all the regulars from the Discord, get a little bit of a head start before I put it out on social media. I mean, obviously I put it on YouTube, but I think if I put it on Twitter, it'll really get some attention. But I'm letting all the regulars get a little bit of a head start this month first. Chopping here on the 20, and I mean, there's a little, I don't have the 20 plotted on the chart you see, but right now it's basically sandwiched between these two evals. Two evals? What did I say? Evals. Two moving averages. I was reading evals of a notification that popped up. I hate to see. You shouldn't read and talk at the same time. Oh, we just had a huge drop here. See the Giants fired their head coach, John? So that was the biggest candle we've seen maybe all night. And big pop right back up. I think the Eagles could like put in their second team every game for now and still win their division. Wasn't the Washington Commanders supposed to be good this year? Didn't everyone predict them to be really good? Right back down on NQ. Have a good night, USC. Nice work, Crypt. Now, for the love of God, please go slower on the funded account. Less contracts. Gold's still going. There's an interesting looking bounce candle. I don't know if I trust it though. It's trying to pop back up. And it's going up again. Up, 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 up. Awesome, John. We'll be happy to have you tomorrow. Enjoy your washing machine. It's fighting this 100 EMA here. And the 9 at the same time. Oops, did I move the banner accidentally? Whoopsie, whoopsie, whoopsie. See ya, John. Not a real exciting night so far. Just trying to push up, but all right, Crypt. Just kind of watching and waiting for something here. I don't know if we're going to get something, though. Bitcoin with a snap up, though, up to 107. Or it was up to 107. It crashed back down. Yeah, sorry, yawn. Partly interested in that blue candle. Well, it's, not sure. Hey, what the heck? So I took the long, again, you're not seeing it, but I took it at 747.75. Let's see if it pops up for me at all. Or if it gets caught in this web of EMAs. Which is what it looks like it's happening right now. It's coming back down. The top of that blue candle cleared all three EMAs that are there, but it looks like it's going to come right back down. I was hoping for a break upwards. Still indecisive. Well, back to my entry, or it was. Someone want to go in and buy like 100 NQ contracts for me right now? Thank you, Tia. Well, that's another blue candle. Wow, it was another blue candle. Then it comes crashing down again. I could have got 2 points, but now it's going to stop me out. I think. Well, maybe not. Maybe it's just going to stay within this 2-point range for the rest of the evening. Probably not, but you know. Yeah. Stopped out. Yeah, this is bleh. Very bleh. And a big drop. That's some good trading there, JJR. Welcome back, Crypticon. Nice. Absolutely, my friend.
Order submitted.
Went long on that green candle, that bounce. Entry 729 quarter. Just looking for 734. Which is the 9 EMA, by the way. Come on, a little bit higher. A little bit higher. Reach up. That's the wrong way. No, there you go. That's good. Yeah, you can do it. Yeah. Go, 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 go. Chug, 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 chug. I'm out.
Well,
Took the loss of about a point. Excellent, JJR. Correct. Hey, Sid. How you been? How's the farm? How's the trading? Tomorrow's Veterans Day, so happy Veterans Day. Thank you for your service. Big pop. 12-point pop here. JJR, that pop happened exactly as you typed that. uh, what uh I have no idea what you're talking about or how to pronounce your name. But look at this pop. So NQ hopes it dumps all night, so NQ decides to be spiteful and pops 30 points here. I don't see any news, so I think the only thing is it wanted to contradict JJR. Oh, wow. Are you surprised to see what gold's doing right now, this big rebound? No, I know, JJ. I'm just kidding. I just thought it was just a little funny that as soon as you said that, it had that big pop. Yeah, I knew you were hoping for like 3,700, right, Sid? I was surprised to see how much. I mean, it moved like 100 points in a day. Yeah, it's been flying, Sid. Absolutely flying. I don't know if that's because of the government shutdown ending news or what, but it really started flying right at the open on Sunday evening. It's been a long time since MightyOxTrading live streams have had a troll. I hope you're not breaking that streak, guy with a lot of letters in his name. Have a great night, Sid. Thanks for stopping in.
Remember, everyone, if you are enjoying the stream, please gore the like button.
What the gore the like button video? Why does it seem like it was cut off or something? Oh no, I said the other the first video gave me it had it with the it was the hitting his head with the like button. Yeah.
Remember, everyone, if you are enjoying the stream, please gore the like button. And remember,
He hits it on his nose. I don't know why. And this was the first one it gave me.
remember, everyone, if you are enjoying the stream, please gore that like button. Remember, everyone.
I'm not sure why the open shirt and why it says gore. And then there was also this one.
Remember, everyone, if you are enjoying the stream, please gore the like button. Remember, everyone.
I'm not sure what accent that was. We're sideways again. We have about 8 minutes left to go in the stream. I tried to get it to make a video with a loud whooshing sound when the market goes down quickly, but instead it said it like made a video about everybody panicking about the market going down.
Sell it all. Get rid of everything right now. It's halted. We can't move it. We are getting killed out here. Sell it all. Get rid of everything right now.
Purple candle. Yeah, I need to make up a blooper reel. Right, blooper reel. Maybe I should have been trading gold tonight. Although I mean, I'm not seeing, based on my strategy, I'm not seeing perfect moves there either. Ooh, there's a move down. It's a big candle, 10 points. By the way, if you want some absolute possible chaos, if they can get this government shutdown done, uh, by midweek and or whatever, next week they could release non-farm payrolls and CPI within a day of one another. Now, I don't know how they get the information, how they gather the data that quickly. But I read that earlier that could happen. I just naturally assumed that they would either delay it for a couple weeks or we wouldn't see any data until December. U.S. Senate has officially passed the bill to reopen the federal government and is sent it to the House of Representatives for final approval. Yeah, it does, T.O. The CME's open normal hours tomorrow. It's a normal trading day. I think. Hold on, let me check on that. Yeah, it has to be. Nobody usually, but if tomorrow was a holiday, I would have gotten 32,000 emails from prop firms saying about restricted trading hours. Yeah, no holiday until Thanksgiving. Goal 5 years from now. I want Mighty Ox Ventures to have a float in the Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade. T.O. can dress up in the ox costume on the float. Have a great night, Crypticon. We'll see you tomorrow. We'll make it pineapple themed. Although maybe that'd be more appropriate for the Rose Parade at New Year's. All right, folks. Wasn't the greatest night, but I didn't kill myself either. It was I'm slightly red going into tomorrow. I want to thank everyone for joining me tonight. And we'll see you all in the morning in about, I think it's 10 and a half hours from now. Because I'm insane. Have a great night, guys. Bisers.